Hello, Namaste and Tashi Delay to all. Today I am here to discuss the topic Importance of Fundamental Rights in Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights are a set of rights prescribed by Indian Constitution to safeguard the interest of each and every citizen of India. There are 6 basic rights prescribed in the Constitution. So without taking much of your time, let's move forward towards our topic. In this category, first falls the right to equality, which provides equal access to each and every citizen of India, irrespective of their caste, class, gender, religion, and sex. It provides equal access to resources in each and every arena of life. It prohibits the allocation of certain titles to citizen or non-citizens of India. Academic and military distinctions fall in exemption to this. Apart from equality, it also provides freedom and even safeguards the freedom of the people accused of crime. A constitution also provides right to life but limits the scope of this right to ensure actions against criminal offense. Fundamental rights also ensure human dignity by prohibiting human trafficking and child labor. Indian Constitution takes into account each and every section of the society and thus provides rights to minorities to ensure so that they can propagate their culture through educational institutions. India being a secular state, we consider each and every religion equal and provide equal respect to each and every religion. Thus, we have the right to choose our occupation and to propagate our religion by a fair manner. All these rights are meaningful only if they are enforced properly and backed by a set of remedies in case of any violation. This right ensures people to move to Supreme Court in case of violation of their rights. Constitution also lays down certain duties apart from these rights, and it is important for us to be, as a citizen of India, to abide by these duties. Thus, the Constitution of India plays a crucial role in each and every one of our lives, and it helps in attainment of spiritual, intellectual and moral status of an individual. It also ensures liberty to individual and equitable society. That's all for this video. Thank you.